All right, guys, we're back for another day, and we are getting the Wi-Fi installed. So, also, we got a few different things going on. We're trying to add a few pieces of equipment since we still need to get the big double doors. So we've got, all of this is ink, right?
Yes.
All of this is ink.
PMYK and non-settling.
Yeah. Okay, so we got ink right here, white ink, non-settling white ink too, which is very important. It's very different. So got the non-settling white ink, film. All these boxes right here are film. So if you need any DTF film, contact us. What's this? The cutter. Yeah, the rotor cutter.
Powder.
More film.
Oh, we need to
TPU powder. What?
verify something with that. And
Oh, okay. Yep.
the solution strong print head
Cleaning solution. And then this is the compressor
for our heat press.
for our heat press. Show that in there.
Oh, we have the fume extractor right
And we got the two fume extractors back here.
Yep.
Chili got our new Yeezys on.
Find them out.
Yep, two fume extractors back here. Both of these again are for sale. We don't know. I sprayed and these crickets are everywhere.
That's good that they're dying.
Yeah, they're dying, but they're everywhere. I don't know where they're getting in at. Yep, so we're getting the Wi-Fi today. Then we're gonna go buy the phones and you will be able to call us direct. Alrighty, so we got the Wi-Fi set up. Everything's all set up. And what was kind of cool is that they had to meet a quota, right? So they contacted us. We really don't need it yet because we won't be in here anytime soon. We had to meet a quota, and then what happened, babe?
We had a free month free.
They had to meet a quota, yeah. So they gave us a free
said,
month.
Hey, we really want to meet a quota. My boss is on me. How can we get you? We're going to offer you a free month free, and you don't have to pay to the end of September.
Yeah.
And we're like, okay,
Yep.
we'll meet you. Come through.
That is crazy. So, yep, that's gonna be it for this video. Chili keeps being nosy in people's conversations. But guys, yes, everything is available. We are gonna set all of this stuff up as we get stuff for the wall. We're just all doing a lot of stuff for Printing United, and then really getting this double door in. And then really after that, it's really just off to the races. Trying to get all the walls done. We probably will do something here to seal this up since we can hear everything that they're saying over there, like easy. So, but like Chelly just made a great statement. Chelly was like, there's soon gonna be printers in here all loud and stuff like that, but I wonder, is that gonna be too loud for them once their printers are going, you know? So, I don't know, but it's just gonna be a quick little video. We're gonna go get some phones now and hook them up so that you guys can call and have an answering service and everything, and one step closer to the full-blown Flash Printing Depot.